Let's continue control statements in Python. In that, let's continue transfer control statements. To transfer control from one location to another location, we use these transfer control statements. We have two types of transfer control statements. One is break and other one is continue. These transfer control statements we use inside loop and inside with condition. Inside loop with condition tip. Let me take an example of a break and take example of continue, then understand it. So if you observe, both syntaxes are looking same. So first point, break and continue, we take inside looping. It may be for, it may be while with condition, with condition. Okay. What is the difference between break and continue? Let's say here range function generates values 1 to 10. Into 10. Here also it will generate values 1 to 10. So observe it. Observe. So for first value is going to store into view. Here also first value going to store into view. V equal to 5. 1 equal to 5. Condition is false. Then control comes out of this one. Here it will print 1. Here also it will check 1 equal to 5. No. It will print 1 here. It will print output is 1. Next I value become 2. I value become 2. 2 equal to 5? No. Then it will print 2. Here also it will print 2. Then I value become 3. I value become 3. 3 equal to 5? No. It will print 3. It will print 3. I value become 4. 4 equal to 5? No. We are printing 4. We are printing 4. Then I value become 5. This one 3, 4 and 5. Psi value become 5. Then 5 equal to 5, condition is true. What break do? Break purpose is to move control from one location to other location. It breaks loop. It breaks loop. It breaks loop and control comes out of loop. If condition is satisfied, breaks loop, control comes out of loop. So we have output is 1 to 4. If it is continue, here 5 equal to 5, condition is true. It will ignore current statements. It will continue. Next iteration is 6. Then 6 equal to 5? No. We will get 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let me execute these two programs. Let's execute break 1 to 4. Let's execute continue. You can see except 5, you are seeing remaining values. It will ignore current statements, continue, ignores the current statements. It will continue next iteration. So we can put break and continue inside while, inside for with condition. Let me take this one, break with while, continue with while. Sorry, right? We take break and continue inside looping with the condition. Okay. Clear, right? Break and continue.